Hi there, you guys. This is Karen Campbell, and I wanted to give you a special close-up sneak peek of my brand new book called Mixed Media Magic. It is just hitting Amazon shelves this week. This is second week of August 2018. By the end of the month, close to September, it'll be fully up online, available for Prime, so keep your eyes peeled for that. In the meantime, you can find it on my Etsy shop. I'm selling signed copies through my Etsy shop, and eventually it will be available worldwide through all of the Amazons, from here to India to Timbuktu. So in this book, I really wanted to give you a thorough background and definition of what mixed media means to me. Really a great overview of supplies that are great for this kind of thing. Everything from gesso to learning about just the type of acrylic paint options that you have, and my favorite go-to mixed media products, which if you know my YouTube videos, you probably have a really good sense of what they are already. But I really lay it all out here in black and white, and I talk about tools of the trade, what great substrates you have available at your fingertips, and then also we talk about art journaling and how to modify any piece of paper to make it appropriate for painting and doing our mixed media work as well. I also have a little section on backgrounds, you can see there, and some really solid tips on how to get started and my favorite method of doing backgrounds, choosing colors. And then after we get through that introductory education lesson, we dive into 10 really fun lessons. And I made these specifically for different levels of the artist. We start out really nice and easy with these mini canvases, which are super easy but really fun to make. I wanted to make this accessible for everybody at all levels. And then the second project is a no-draw flower project. So I think it's important that when you're starting out, you learn to do some projects that don't require a lot of drawing skills, so you can still be successful and have tons of fun with mixed media without learning how to draw anything. And then of course, I'm known for my face drawing books, my How to Draw Fun Fab Faces series. So we have a lesson there on drawing and shading a face. And then encaustics is one of my favorite things to do, and it's actually really easy. So I have a really easy lesson on there, and image transfers. And then we jump into one of my most favorite projects of all time, which is the Dragonfly series, And I go through how to make the backgrounds for those and step-by-step instructions how to make this girl. And you'll see there's a little triptych there with the dog and the cat as well, and that's what we do in the eCourse version of this. No book would be complete without the illustration of a foam head, so I have step-by-step instructions how to make one of those. So fun, as well as the cover girl that you see on the front of the book. I have really great, involved, in-depth instructions on how to make her as well, and she again is one of my all-time favorite projects. And then last but not least, I have this wonderful huge art journal spread that goes over how to draw a face, more of a body too, as well as how to transfer text in the right way to make perfect looking text, especially if your handwriting isn't good. And then I have a really fat section at the end dedicated to finding and keeping inspiration, everything from art journaling to how to save money, upcycling, the importance of going easy on yourself, tips and tricks on how to strengthen your weak points, the importance of finding artists and challenges and prompts online, sneak tricks on how to prep backgrounds so that you can sit down and have productive art journaling sessions. And then of course there's a list of my other books in there and all the courses I teach over at Awesome Art School. In addition to the book, I wanted to give you a sneak peek at the projects we're doing on the eCourse as well. Now these are also 10 projects, that the same projects that you find in the book I teach online, completely real time. You have instant and forever access, fully downloadable to all of these lessons, including that cat and dog there too. And instead of the fierce fairy face we do in the book, we're going to be doing this girl instead, and she is amazing. And we have our great art journal there too at the end, and those can all be found at awesomeartschool.com. The books again are available on Etsy and Amazon. The link is in the description box, and I just want to thank you so much for all your love and support as I get this book and new course launched. I thank you so very much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in school.